Stop charging your iPhone several times a day or carrying a power bank everywhere. After watching this video, your battery will last 3 times longer. First, go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh. Every app in this list uses battery even when your phone is locked. At the top, turn off Background Refresh. Next, go to Siri and search. Turn off all Apple suggestions. They quietly drain your battery too. Finally, head to Privacy and Security, Location Services, System Services. Scroll down and turn off the last 3 options. These simple will noticeably improve your iPhone's battery life. Try them out. Don't forget to share this video with your friends.